All right, AP Lit for Thursday, April 9th. Our previous assignment was the story of an hour essay. So hopefully I'll get those in here soon. Um, so your materials you're going to need for this assignment is obviously just the story. And then what we want to do here is the focus for this lesson is comparing like characters, like themes, and or like incidents. Okay, so I don't expect you, especially if you don't have your textbook, to go back and read A Doll's House or looking at, I don't need any quotes for this essay. So maybe just look back at your previous essay that we did while we were doing the play in class, and just maybe reuse some of those ideas. Okay, so let's just go ahead and use the template that I provided for this one. Again, I do not need quotes. If you want to use quotes, that's great. Okay, but you can just tell me what happened instead. All right, for this one, hopefully it's a little easier for you. So the assignment is to choose one of these three prompts that I've provided for you. And, obviously come up with a thesis that includes both characters and or if you're doing number three, the perspective on marriage, that might just have one, thesis statement, one point you want to make there if you're talking about, a theme as opposed to comparing two things. So, so your first option is to compare Mrs. Mallard and Nora. So just, although we don't see any interaction really between the husband and wife in the story of an hour, we can kind of gather from what is said how their relationship was. And many of you picked up on that in your assignment for Tuesday. Okay, same thing for the next prompt, right? We know about Torvald, we know what he did, but Mr. Mallard, we just see at the very, very end. He doesn't say anything, but again, through the details that are provided in the short story, we get a picture of what their kind of marriage looks like, okay, or how his wife at least looked at him or felt in their marriage. Okay, and then your last one is to compare perspective on marriage, because both of these texts are from the same general time period, the kind of late Victorian era, late 1800s. Okay, so as always, type it up, send it, and that'll complete another week of e-learning for AP Lit. All right, see you guys next time.